Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable Facebook login alerts on your Facebook app. Launch your Facebook app on your device, iPhone or any other device. Here go to 3 horizontal line against top left corner, and here tap on settings and privacy. Tap on it. Here again tap on settings. Here under account center, under account center, tap on see more in account center or password and security. Here scroll down and you will find the option password and security. Tap on it. Here you will find the option login alerts. Tap on it. Tap on login alerts, and if you have already, here choose your accounts, and if you have already enabled in your Facebook app two-factor and authentication, then login alerts always on you will receive. So if you want to turn off login alerts, disable two-factor authentication first, otherwise it is also enabled.